so it's really windy, and I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do this, but I am going to not let somebody run into my car. I'm going to cut this wire that I got from O'Reilly's, and I'm going to like strip the ends of it, which I will show you guys after I do that. But then I'm also going, the top button up here is my trunk button. It looks like out of the package. And so now I'm going to just try to cut these wires kind of big. I don't know if I'm going to be able to record this.
5 minutes later.
Alright guys, so I did half of that, and I'm hoping that it'll work. But I just have to wrap this part around the positive, and then use this one to press on the little button thing. Alright, so let's try this. Okay, next we want to hold the short wire. And we're going to put this around the positive. I'm just going to wrap this around. Okay, so now that's wrapped around. Now we are holding the other end with caution. Open up the door. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I just pulled this little thingy out. This is what we're looking at. So I think that we are going to be taking this little red wire out. I don't know, I'll let you guys know after I figure this out. Alright, and so I was able to take this little part out. And this is what it looks like. Alright, and now I'm going to figure this part out. Let it focus in. Okay, and then the guy says to try to put, I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you guys this. Let's see, I'm really scared to touch anything. Alright. We're just going to touch the ends. You're just going to touch the little ones in there, and hopefully one of them is going to pop open the trunk. Alright, so give me a second. Alright, and if you guys, I don't know if you heard that or not, but I think we just got the trunk open.